Nakifuma MP Kafeero Ssekitoleko had a hard time on Thursday evening as he presented a private member's bill to make a constitutional amendments to raise the retirement age of judges and justices. The previous day, the MP's bill had hit a snag after he was faulted on matters of procedure. Opposition legislators put up a spirited fight in opposing the private member's bill that seeks to raise the retirement age of High Court judges from 65 to 70, and that of the Court of Appeal and Supreme Court from 70 to 75.
And the rise in judgment in the Supreme Court of the Republic of Uganda. Now thereof, be resolved by the Parliament of this August House to grant me leave. I beg to move.
In an exclusive interview with NTV, Principal Judge Yorokamu Bamwine said they agree in principle with the proposals in the bill, saying senior judicial officers had made similar proposals before.
I would be the last person to disrespect it. Law is the law. So yes, I would serve. So it's up to the people of Uganda to see whether those people still have talent to exercise. We haven't had a meeting as judiciary, but that should not stop the process.
Justice Bamwine, who is the head of the High Court, added that many judges retire when they still have the ability to serve, meaning that the institution loses experienced human resources.
We have people who cannot make it beyond 70 in terms of service. Those ones should be allowed to get their benefits and enjoy their retirement. But those who are able to serve beyond 70, or between 65 and 70, so be it.
The brain behind the bill, Ssekitoleko said the constitutional amendments he is proposing are good for the country.
If the Speaker deems it necessary, in her own wisdom or his own wisdom, he will do so. But as far as I know, I am doing the right thing in the interest of not only the people of Nakifuma, but the entire Uganda.
On whether he had consulted the judicial officers on whose interests he claims to act.
I have not consulted the judiciary, but I did some good research about what is happening within the judiciary. You will realize that there can be a vacuum. We can run short of capable people to occupy those places at a particular time.
A number of lawmakers gave mixed reactions on the bill and what unfolded in Thursday's parliamentary session.
I think Honorable Kafeero is being used. It's like a starter. When you go to a hotel, before the main course, they give you a starter. And the moment Parliament succeeds in doing that, then lifting the age limit for the president would just become consequential.
If a president, the constitution talks about him, he can be able to be a president at the age of 75. Why not a judge?
The issues that were rejected by the House are the issues, and even others that were not even talked about anyway, are the issues that the member is introducing. So to us, first of all, we thought it was not healthy.
They have a parliamentary Hansard here. This document is a document of Parliament. FDC, DP, JEMA, CP, and Federal Alliance supported the current proposal.
If you want people to work beyond 75 years, then we should lift it for all the civil servants in Uganda.
Following the acrimony on Thursday evening, Deputy Speaker Jacob Olanyi allowed MP Ssekitoleko to table the bill. Debate on the bill will continue on Tuesday next week.
Can we allow it to be just presented? Then we debate it next week. Just presentation.
Last year, Parliament rejected a similar proposal to raise the retirement age of judges. It was among a draft of constitutional amendments proposed by Cabinet. More research, NTV Weekend Edition.